Good morning. It's a math lesson. And today we're going to start adding hundreds. This helps us not only realize what this means, but it also helps us with adding. So we're going to draw our ones, tens, and hundreds so that we can add these two numbers. Now, just like with tens and ones, we have to draw. I've already got mine drawn. I just kind of messed it up there for you. It's okay. And then we're going to write ones, tens, hundreds. Then we're going to draw. Now, if we're adding, we have to draw both numbers, don't we? So let's draw this first number. It's 100, and remember 100 is a square. 3 tens and 5 ones. Neatly drawn because mathematicians are precise. Now we have 200, 2 tens, 4 ones. Where are we going to start adding? We drew our hundreds first, our tens, and then our ones, but we always add from right to left, the opposite of what we do for reading. So we have to start with our smallest unit, and our smallest unit is our one. So let's count and see how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. Did I have to move any? No. How many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice I'm touching them so that I don't miss any or count any twice. 5 tens. How many hundreds do I have? 1, 2, 3. 135 plus 224 equals 359. This is our equal sign, 359. Good job. Okay, I'm going to carefully erase my ones. I'm going to carefully erase my tens. I'm going to carefully erase my hundreds so that I can do another problem and keep my nice hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Okay, let's get ready. 235. Can you see that? There we go. 235 plus 146. Oh, there we go. You can see my plus sign. Write your equation. 235 plus 146. And then let's draw them. 2 hundreds. How many tens? 3 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hundreds? 100. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keeping them in neat rows of 5. And then where do I start? I start with my smallest unit because I might have to move over. And so I want to make sure I start with my smallest unit. Okay, let's touch these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10? You can't stay in the ones house. We gotta box you up and get rid of you. And we move him over to the tens place. Now, how many ones do we have? We only have 1 because we moved 10 over to the tens place. So over here in your algorithm, in your equation, write the 1 down that we have left and the 110 that we moved over. Now let's count our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We have 80. 8 tens. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. Now, how many hundreds do we have? 100, 200, 300. 1, 2, 3. Because 2 plus 1 is 3. Good job. Now have somebody that loves you make up some more 3-digit problems for you so that you can practice adding 3-digit numbers, drawing hundreds, tens, and ones. I know you can do it. Good job.